The first stage in a Fluxion attack is to capture the handshake. Now I'm going to show you what Wi-Fi adapters I'm using. So I'll type w config, iw-config. This will show that I have two Wi-Fi adapters. WLAN 0 is a built-in Wi-Fi adapter which does not have monitor mode, and WLAN 1 is the external USB Wi-Fi adapter which is capable of monitor mode. My WLAN 0 will be used later on to become the fake access point, and WLAN 1 will be used to de-authenticate the user from the network, from the access point, and also to capture the handshake. And for WLAN 1, I'm using the same Wi-Fi adapter as before, which is the Wi-Fi adapter known as Alpha AWUS036NHA, which you can check from the previous lessons. So now let's clear the screen. And now, as you can see on the top right hand corner, there is my network manager is running, but we need to stop this network manager because otherwise it will interfere with our attacks. Now when you are using Fluxion, it is necessary to stop the network manager. So the command to stop network manager is service network-manager stop. Next is we need to kill the script that connects to WPA, and that script is known as WPA supplicant. And the command to kill WPA supplicant is -ng check kill. Press enter, and again when you are using Fluxion, it is necessary to kill WPA supplicant. WPA supplicant has now been successfully killed, as you can see from here. WPA supplicant. Next, change into the directory called /opt where you install Fluxion. So type cd/opt followed by ls to list the contents of the opt directory. Then you will see there is a Fluxion directory. So type cd Fluxion to enter the Fluxion directory, and once you're inside Fluxion directory, type ls. So we need to use the Fluxion sh script. So type /Fluxion sh, press enter, and Fluxion will now go ahead and scan for the necessary dependency files. And then it will ask you to select a wireless attack. So choose number 2, handshake snooper acquiring encryption hashes. Press 2, enter, and it asks you to select which Wi-Fi adapter. Choose WLAN 1, the one with monitor mode. So enter number 2 for me. And then select a channel. I'm choosing number 1, all channels. And then a pop-up window will start scanning for available access points to attack. So once you see a target, for me it's IoT Lab, press Ctrl C to close the scanner window. And it will list the available targets. For me it's target number 14. So I'll type 14 and press enter. Select a wireless interface for target tracking. I will choose the first one, which is WLAN 1, monitor mode enabled. So choose 1, press enter. And then this attack has already been configured. Select 2 to reset the attack. Select a method of handshake retrieval. Select number 2, Air Replay NG deauthentication. Press 2, enter. Select interface for monitoring and jamming. Select number 1, press enter. And then select a method of verification. Select number 3, Cowpatty verification recommended. Press enter. How often should the verifier check for handshake? Select number 1, every 30 seconds. How should verification occur? Select number 2, asynchronously recommended. Now the attack has started. On the bottom right corner is the authentication window or the jammer window, which will disconnect any computer connected to the access point. Once the computer tries to reconnect, that's when we capture the handshake. So on the left hand side bottom is the window you should monitor to see whether the handshake has been captured or not. So give it some time and you find handshake snooper attack completed. The handshake has been captured, so we can just close this window. So we close the window and now we are ready to proceed. So we'll proceed with the attack in the next lesson. So you can just safely exit this by pressing Ctrl C. See you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching.